In this video, you will learn how to reduce photo file size on iPhone. So if you want to reduce the file size of any image on an iPhone or iPad, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to reduce photo file size on iPhone or iPad. In order to reduce the photo file size of any image on iPhone or iPad, first of all, let's just open the Photos app and select the photo for which you want to reduce the file size. Let's open this one, and if I tap on this eye icon, that will reveal the information regarding this photo. And you can see here the date the photo was taken along with the camera lenses used, and there is file size as well, that is 3.2 megabytes. Now if I want to reduce the file size of this image from 3.2 MB to lesser than that, then what I'll have to do is I'll have to first of all tap on this share icon, and that will open up the sharing sheet menu here. And then from these options, here you have to scroll a bit and export this photo and save to files. So I'll select the option that is save to files, and then it will open up the interface for selecting the location where you want to save it. I'll save it on my iPhone, so I'll just tap on save here. In case if you want, you may also rename this before saving, but I won't do that. Instead, I'll just tap on save, and then this photo has been exported and saved to files. Now let's just minimize this and open the files. There on my iPhone, you can see the photo has been exported here. Now here starts the process of reducing the file size of image on iPhone. For that, let's just long press on the photo for which we want to reduce the photo size, and after that here we will scroll a bit and you will see there is the option for quick actions. If I tap on quick actions, you will notice this will open up more options, and among these I'll have to select the option that is convert image. When I select convert image, this will open up the options whether I want to convert this to file format like JPEG, PNG or HEIF. In case you don't know, the JPEG file takes less file size as compared to PNG and HEIF. So I'll select JPEG, and after that you can select the conversion options like whether you want to keep the image size small, medium, large or original. If you select original, nothing will change, but you can choose any of these options. I'll go with small or medium, and that will reduce the file size. For now, I'll select medium, and then you can see the image has been converted to medium one, and the file size is also reduced to 59 KB. So that way we have reduced the photo file size from 1.3 megabytes to 59 kilobytes only. And now I can simply open this, and after that tap on share icon, and then from these options I can select save image, and this will be saved to the iPhone camera roll if I just tap on allow here to use photo library of my iPhone. And now everything is done, and if I just minimize this and open the Photos app, here you will see that the new photo has been added here, and if I tap on eye icon, you can see this is in kilobytes now. So we have successfully reduced the image file size on iPhone, and similarly you can do on iPad as well. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to reduce the size of any file on iPhone or iPad, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.